Hi viewers, welcome back to Tech Again. It's been quite a while. I've been uploading videos. This will be a quick one. I will show you today how to unhide rows and columns in a quick way. So here I have highlighted some columns which I am planning to hide, and I have highlighted some columns which I am planning to hide as well. So we'll go with the normal way of hiding columns. Right click, hide, right click, hide, and for the columns yes, the same way, right click, hide, and another one, right click and hide. So in order to unhide the columns, select, and for the rows, select anywhere on the rows and click unhide. Same for the columns, select anywhere on the column and right click and unhide. The advantage of this is that with a single click, whatever columns or rows has been hidden will be unhidden. See, for example, I will do this one more time. Hide, sorry, hide, 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 hide. The main point is that you have to click on the extreme left top corner to make the selection for both rows and columns. Then for the rows, right click, unhide, and for the columns, right click, unhide. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you soon with another exciting videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.